Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Dear students, this video is really going to be very helpful for the students of class 12 Science English Medium Gujarat Board. Dear students, in this video I am going to cover the MCQ of the first chapter, the last lesson written by Alfonso Daudet from the book Flamingo. Dear students, in this video, I am going to cover around 30 MCQs. If you really find it very helpful for your exam, then do share with your friends as well. So without wasting the time, let's get started with the MCQs. So the very first question, which is very simple, the story last lesson has been penned by, of course, the answer written right here, that is Alfonso Daudet. So first B. Second, which places mentioned in the story the last lesson as it were taken away by the Germans during the Franco-Persian War? Now dear students, if you have really read the chapter, the answer of this question is very easy. Options are Nantes and Alsace, B. Alsace and Lorraine, C. Bordeaux and Lorraine, D. Marseille and Alsace. Very simple dear students. Here Alfonso Daudet talks about these two places. Answer B, Alsace and Lorraine. Third question, what had the little boy Franz counted on for entering the school unnoticed? In the bracket, which one is incorrect? Dear students, please be careful in such type of questions where you have to give the incorrect one. So it means here three options are right. So let's go with the options. A, the great bustle at the beginning of the school. Of course, it was when Franz came in the school, what actually he come across? So of course there was a bustle in the beginning of the school. Repetition of the lesson in the unison, yes, that was also there. The teacher writing on the board, no, it was not there. The opening and closing of desk, of course it was there. So here the incorrect sentence, the incorrect answer is option C. Third one, C. So I hope these three MCQs are clear. Here we go with the next. Fourth one, which of the following superlatives is not used for the French language by M. Hamel? Most logical, most beautiful, clearest. All these were used for the French language. The right answer is D. Most unforgettable. Fourth one, D. Fifth, the next day, M. Hamel was going to question the class on which grammar topic? Very simple. Option B, participles. Every one of you know. Sixth one, where did Franz see a crowd of people while going to school? When he passed the town hall in front of the bulletin board. That what? Yes, the option A is right. Where did Franz see a crowd of people while going to? Of course, in front of the bulletin board. Next, seventh, what was not tempting Franz to bunk school and spend the day out of doors? Here the right answer is option C, the wood trails full of tall trees, dear students. Not tempting Franz to bunk school. The wood trails full of tall trees. Eighth one, who said don't go so fast, bub? Of course, B, Watcher the blacksmith. Option B. 8B. Ninth, Franz had counted on the dash in the school to get to his desk without being seen. So the right answer is option B, commotion, dear students. Ninth, B. 10th, what was the great bustle that could be heard out in the street when the school began? Of course, the opening and the closing of desk was heard. Lessons repeated in unison, yes, ye bhi tha. Third, the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. Yes, ये भी सुनाई दे रहा था. The cooing of the pigeons on the roof. नहीं. Fourth one जो है वो नहीं था. तो of course आंसर हमारा आएगा 1, 2, 3. तो ऑप्शन A जो है वही हमारा राइट आंसर है 10th का. Dear students, is that clear? So 10th A. 11th question. What emotions did Franz experience as he opened the door of the class? दोस्तों क्या इमोशंस थे फ्रांस के जैसे उसने दरवाजा खोला. He had tears in his eyes, he was upset and cried, he blushed and became frightened. Yes, the question number 11 has the right answer, C. Dear students, the right answer of the 11th is C. He blushed and he became frightened. थोड़ा डर गया था वो. 12th, what dress did M. Hamel wear on inspection and prize days? कौन से कपड़े पहने थे, याद करो. A. A green coat, frilled shirt and little black silk cap all embroidered. Yes, the question number 12 has the right answer, A. बाकी ऑप्शन पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, याद रखो. A green coat, frilled shirt and little black silk cap all embroidered. Remember, 13th question. Old Hauser sat in M. Hamel's class on the last bench with his dash. Dear students, 13th question. The right answer is B. 3-cornered hat. याद आया कुछ आपको? ओल्ड हॉसर, ओके, उसने तीनों तरफ से जो उसकी हैट थी वो 3-cornered हैट थी. Question number 14. M. Hamel had put in dash years of faithful service in teaching at the school in Alsace. Very important question. The right answer is D. 40 साल उन्होंने अपनी टीचिंग के उस स्कूल में दिए थे. किसने? M. Hamel ने. Okay, here we go. Next. Who said we have all a great deal to reproach ourselves with? The right answer for 15 question. किसने बोला था यह sentence? M. Hamel is the right answer. B. Option B. 16. How did the parents obstruct France's education? Question number 16 का right answer है they preferred to have him work at the mill or on a farm. That's what how parents of France obstructed. Question number 17. What did M. Hamel tell France to recite? M. Hamel ने फ्रांस को क्या रिसाइट करने के लिए बोला था? Question number 17. The answer is C. Rule for participles. और वो क्या रिसाइट कर पाया था? नहीं कर पाया था. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 का आंसर क्या है? C. The rule for participles. 18. France didn't pay attention to his lesson and preferred to go where? Question number 18. The right answer is seeking birds' eggs or sliding on the river. A option. 18 का आंसर है A. Seeking birds' eggs or sliding on the river. 19. M. Hamel blamed himself for France disability. M. Hamel ने अपने आप को ब्लेम किया फ्रांस की डिसेबिलिटी के लिए. टू कॉप विथ हिज स्टडीज एज ही 19 मेड हिम वाटर हिज फ्लावर्स. ओके, वो क्या करता था? हमेशा बच्चों को कुछ ना कुछ काम देते रहते थे, इसीलिए वो अपने आप को भी गुनहगार ठहराते हैं. तो राइट आंसर 19 का क्या है? ए. मेड हिम वाटर फॉर मीन्स फॉर हिज फ्लावर्स. Question number 20. M. Hamel advised the students that they should hold fast to their dash as it was the key to their imprisonment by the Germans. Question number 20. Right answer is क्या था वो की? उनकी लैंग्वेज. एंड द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज सी. फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज को वो की समझते थे कि यही उनका एक जरिया बनेगा. सो दे शुड be very thorough in this language. Question number 21. What did M. Hamel write on the blackboard when it was time to dismiss the class? Very, very, very important question, dear students, and that's every one of you knows. Every one of you know the right answer is of 21 Vive la France. So 21 goes B. Vive la France. 22. The dash that M. Hamel had planted himself had twined about the windows right to the roof. The answer of 22 is D. Hope wine. Question number 23. Which was the first thing that M. Hamel took up during the last lesson? Dear students, very simple, of course. The right answer of this question is C. Grammar. Okay, grammar was the first thing that M. Hamel took. 24. While the class was busy writing, some dash flew in during the last lesson. What? Of course, beetles. Beetles उड़ रहे थे क्लास में. Okay, फ्रांस ने नोटिस भी किए थे. 25th. For whom did France say will they make them sing in Germans? ये बाय फ्रांस ने बोले हुए सेंटेंस थे ये. लेकिन ये किसके लिए बोले थे? ऑफ कोर्स ऑप्शन डी, पिजन्स के लिए बोले थे उसने. पिजन्स को वो कहते थे कि विल दे मेक देम सिंग इन जर्मन्स. तो वो किसको एड्रेस करके बोल रहे थे? क्योंकि सो जर्मन को एड्रेस करके बोल रहे थे कि क्या वो पिजन्स को भी जर्मनी बोलना सिखाएंगे. 26. एम हेमल्स लास्ट क्लास वॉज ऑलवेज डिसमिस्ड. उनका क्लास कब खत्म होता था? फर्स्ट चर्च क्लॉक स्ट्रक 12 ऑफ कोर्स. ओके, जब चर्च की जो क्लॉक में 12 बजते थे. एंड एंजलिस वर सेड. ये दोनों के दोनों ऑप्शंस राइट है. तो हमारा ऑप्शन ए जो है 1 and 2 दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. 26 का आंसर आएगा ए. 27. When did the Persian army return from their drill? Question number 27. The right answer is as the class finished saying the Angelus. At that time, the Persian army returned from their drill. 28. Watcher was dash while instructing France. He was serious. Question number 28 has right answer A. 29. Franz was addressed as A or N dash by the blacksmith. Boy. C. 29 का आंसर है C. 30. विवेला फ्रांस का मतलब क्या है? सभी जानते हैं, लॉन्ग लिव फ्रांस. 31. When Franz reached M. Hammel's garden, he was literally breathing very fast. उसको हम कहते हैं panting. So 31 का आंसर है D. So dear students, these are the total 31 MCQs which will be very much helpful. Please, you can revise these MCQs, and please dear students, if you have really enjoyed this video, then do like the video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you really think this is a worth, then please do share with your classmates, with your friends. Thank you so much for the day. See you in the next session.